Have you ever wondered how a sailboat manages to glide across the water, sometimes even seemingly against the wind? This video explains the detailed mechanics. Sailboats are marvels of engineering, using natural forces, wind and water, to achieve propulsion without an engine. Let's start with the basics. Key components include the hull, which provides buoyancy, the mast to hold the sails, and the keel or centerboard underneath to prevent sideways drift. The core principle is harnessing wind energy. Unlike just being pushed, a sailboat uses the sails to generate an aerodynamic force, much like a wing generates lift. Sails are designed to be airfoils. When wind flows over the curved surface, it travels faster on one side, creating an area of low pressure and lift or forward thrust. While the sails generate the power, the hull and the keel play a critical role in hydrodynamics, converting that lateral force into forward movement. The powerful force generated by the sails is also pushing the boat sideways. This lateral movement, called leeway, must be counteracted. This is where the keel or centerboard comes in. It acts like a vertical wing underwater, generating a counteracting lift force that resists the sideways push from the sails. Perhaps the most counterintuitive part of sailing is being able to move toward the wind. This is known as beating or sailing upwind. Sailboats don't sail directly into the wind, but at an angle. This allows the sails to generate maximum lift, which is a powerful forward force that overcomes wind resistance. To advance directly upwind, sailors must zigzag, moving back and forth across the wind. This maneuver is called tacking, where the bow passes through the eye of the wind. Sailing away from the wind is simpler, involving less aerodynamic lift and more direct wind push. This includes broad reach and running downwind. When running downwind, the wind is pushing directly from behind. The sails are opened almost perpendicular to the boat to capture the maximum amount of force. Jibbing is the maneuver used to change direction when sailing downwind, where the stern of the boat passes through the wind. This must be done carefully to avoid sudden sail swings. A sailboat is constantly controlled by two main factors: steering via the rudder and adjusting the power of the sails. The rudder is a movable fin at the stern of the boat. Turning the rudder changes the water flow around it, generating a lateral force that steers the boat. Sail trim is crucial for efficiency. Sheets, ropes attached to the sails, are adjusted to position the sails optimally relative to the wind direction for maximum lift and forward momentum. In summary, a sailboat works by balancing the forward thrust from the sail's lift with the stabilizing force from the keel, allowing it to navigate across the water using the power of nature.